Hello, and thank you for joining us for the Apple iPhone 16e Teardown video, part of the Tech Insights Teardown video series. We are really excited about the newest addition to Apple's iPhone lineup. The new iPhone 16e is not only replacing Apple's beloved SE model, it is also Apple's official entry in designing its own 5G cellular silicon components. Apple calls its first cellular platform the Apple C1, which is more of a cellular solution than just a single component. The Apple C1 is comprised of a 5G cellular modem and a 5G FR1 RF transceiver. Releasing the iPhone 16e now with the Apple C1 platform will give Apple over 2 years to make updates to its Apple C cellular design before the rumored year 2027, when the Apple and Qualcomm partnership is thought will change or even come to an end. Tech Insights is the leading source in teardowns of consumer and automotive electronics. We follow a systematic and comprehensive approach for all of our teardown analysis to uncover valuable information about each device's design, function, and performance. As a subscriber, you have access to thousands of electronic devices on our platform and up-to-date views of upcoming teardowns on our roadmaps. Log into the Tech Insights platform to get updates on the several reports focused on both of the Apple C1 components. In addition, the Spin Insights team will also post additional iPhone 16e teardown videos. We'll also be publishing a quick turn teardown report and have several more in-depth teardown reports available exclusively for our subscribers.